Go! Do it again. Jumpy, 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 jumpy. Again. More. We need to see more of the laughing.
Regalo ni Ibibi. Sa akin.
It's opening. It's sad. Ay! Hinawag niya yung sad. Nilaglag niya.
Nalaglagan ng cellphone?
Pwede pa naman.
Ay, nako.
Ate.
Sorry, I accidentally put it too close. I was videoing baby laugh. Baby?
Hindi naman nalaglagan sa baba.
Okay ka lang, baby? Yeah. Yeah.
Tawa ka daw ulit. Okay.
Baby.
Tawag ka ulit.
Rencho! Rencho! Rencho!
When Daddy, you know I'm gonna make this a YouTube video. Just don't make it too sass or whatever.
Yun, na-miss ko kayo. Parang di ko na kaya talaga nung...
Kiss naman, Kali.
Fluffy
Go ahead,
bird.
baby, ha?
Okay.
Parang pag...
Kiss!
Oh, okay.
Ay,
Baby,
siya.
hindi ka pwedeng humawak ng cellphone.
Ano ba ni bebe o namula?
Ulit naman eh.
Hinatid kasi.
I was shocked. And
Kiss lang, Kali.
I will gently try to shield it, but
Malambot pa yung buto ni baby.
Look, I'm making
Ay,
it.
nako.
You know.
Maga papasok yung mami ko. Ano ba? Ba't puro sabon-sabon dito?
Say, look, look. You just said ah. Laugh the loud as you can. That's not allowed. Di kanina. Bro's just staring at the cell phone.
Eh, kasi nakita niya nagbe-video ka.
So adorable, right? Just laugh! Laugh! Laugh is so cute! Bro's just looking at the cell phone. Just laugh!
I love you. You love me.
Let's be a happy family with Song Ji-han. Just kidding, I'm joking.
A kiss from you for me.